Trust me guys, these hacks are very simple, but I guarantee you most dropshippers doesn't know about this. Hey guys, Renson here, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 dropshipping hacks which you can implement right away and which will help you boost your dropshipping experience. The first hack is actually to replace GIF or GIF files with videos. So what is the benefit of replacing GIF with videos? The benefit is that when you add GIF to your product page will load slowly because the GIF are held by the Shopify server. But when you add video, you can actually add video from YouTube directly into your Shopify description. That way your product page will load very fast. So how do you do that? It's very simple. First, you upload the video. It can be the video you use for marketing on Facebook or Instagram. You have to upload it on YouTube, and then you have to tap on the share button. Instead of copying the link of the video, you have to copy the embed code, and once you get the embed code, all you have to do is you have to go to your product editor in Shopify, and in the product description go to HTML mode and insert it anywhere else, and that way the YouTube video will appear in your product description. The second hack is actually to get a product description for any product without paying any freelancer or without doing a lot of research. How do you do this? You can do this in 5 minutes or less. So what you do is actually type the product name and then type plus Shopify in Google and search for it, and then it will show you all the stores which sell the same exact product. And once you go to one of the stores, the store will already have all the information about the product. That way you can copy the product description from this store, and then you can make some slight adjustment and you get a perfect product description in just a few minutes. Why is this important? The reason why this is so important is because most of the beginners tend to copy product description directly from AliExpress, and that is one of the main reasons why a lot of beginners fail. So what you want to do is you want to make a solid product description, and even if you don't know how to do it, you can still copy from these already working successful stores. The last hack is to remove Chinese words from your product pictures. So how do you do this? It's very simple. You don't need to have any Photoshop skills, any software or anything. It can be done directly into Shopify. So how does this work? If you don't know, Shopify also provides a feature to edit images. First, you have to go to Shopify product editor, and in that product editor page you will see all the images, and then you can click on the image and you can click on the edit button. And once you do that, you can select the pen tool, and then you can just pen it all over the image. So if the image has a white background and some Chinese text, you can select white and wipe over the Chinese text and it will disappear. Similar thing, if the image has a black background, you can do the same. That way you can remove Chinese text easily without using Photoshop directly into Shopify. That is it for today guys. It's a short video, but I hope you find valuable. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you get some value, please do drop a like. It helps me out. And thank you once again for watching to the end of this video, and peace. Bye.